Instagram has added an update, allowing users to now add up to 20 images to carousel posts. In this video, I'll show you how to make an Instagram carousel post with up to 20 images. To create a carousel post on Instagram, open the Instagram app and tap the plus sign in the bottom menu. Then select Post, and then tap the carousel icon. You can have up to 20 images total in your post. After selecting, tap on Next. Here you can add a background music. Now you can add filters to all of your images at once. If you have an individual image, you can add different filters to each one or individually make edits to them. Now tap on Next. Lastly, you can add a caption music, take a location, and adjust your sharing settings. When you're done, tap Share to post your carousel. That's all it takes to create a careful post on Instagram with up to 20 images. Instagram. If this video helps you, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more informative videos.